Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I want to walk you through a common modeling challenge in Power BI, many-to-many relationships, and how to avoid them using a normalized structure, especially when working with crime data. So let's imagine this scenario. You're working with offense data, and you're trying to analyze which officers responded to which offenses. Here's what the tables might look like without proper modeling. First, we have the offenses table. Each row is a distinct offense tied to an incident. This is represented by offense ID and incident ID. We also have an incident officers table. This tracks which officers responded to which incidents. Now, here's the challenge. One incident can include multiple offenses, and multiple officers might respond to that single incident. At the same time, each officer can respond to many different incidents. So, when you try to relate incident ID from offenses to incident ID from incident officers, both fields have duplicate values, which will trigger a many-to-many warning in Power BI. This can cause incorrect filtering, unexpected totals, and sluggish performance. So how do we fix this? We need to normalize the model by introducing a bridge table, which in this case would be a true incidence table where each incident ID appears only once. Now, in theory, every records management system is going to have an incidence table that we could bring in to act as the bridge table for this scenario. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to provide an alternative using DAX. Again, in this example, this is just rebuilding the idea of an incident table, but we might not always have a unique values table available. So, to create a bridge table with distinct incident IDs, I'm going to add a new table. And the DAX for this table, I'm going to call it incident list, and I'm going to use a distinct function. I'm then going to pull from my offenses table incident ID, then I'm going to close this with a parentheses. When I press this green check mark, it's going to commit, and now I have a new table that is just going to include the list of incident IDs. I can verify this in table view by looking at the incident list. Now, we can relate the incident ID from the offenses table to the incident ID from the incident list, and that's going to be a one-to-many connection. We can do the same relating incident ID from the incident list to incident officers, the incident ID there as well. And this is also going to create a one-to-many relationship. At this point, every table has a one-to-many relationship, and we've eliminated the many-to-many issue entirely. From here, you can correctly analyze which officers were involved in which offenses. As a reminder, unique values tables keep your models clean and improve performance. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.